Just in time for summer, home contractor Skip Bedell is here with how to get the outdoor kitchen of your dreams. Skip, happy Memorial Day to you. What do you got for us?
Yeah, man. So, this is the perfect time of year to start barbecuing. And I recently had a great experience with this DIY outdoor kitchen. This is RTA in Coyote. They make it super easy to actually get a DIY kitchen. You simply go online to their program. You flip through a couple of clicks on their screen. This kitchen shows up pre-assembled in your driveway, ready to build. Everything you see here, we put together in just a couple of hours, which is amazing. Let me show you some of the features that are in this kitchen. So you have a full outdoor refrigerator, which is amazing. As you can see, the stone and countertops come in a lot of different color options. And these appliances from Coyote are all top grade stainless steel 304, which is premium quality professional grade appliances. So what's really nice about this whole thing is that you have storage, you have all the amenities for a regular kitchen, even pull out trash. Chris, look at this thing. We got a built-in wood-fired pizza oven, and even an outdoor pantry, which is fantastic to store all your things. But the nicest part about this whole setup is that it comes in many different sizes. It shows up in your driveway, and you build it in just a couple of hours yourself. You have a friend, and in a weekend, you have a beautiful outdoor kitchen. So if you look over here, it comes in a lot of different sizes for the countertops and also the islands. Many different appliances are available. So if you've ever thought of having an outdoor kitchen and think it's too much time or too much money, this is a great solution. If you go on to RTA Outdoor Living, you'll find the one that fits your space perfectly.
That's amazing, Skip. A real quick question, though. So can that stay outside? I mean, you're not covered. It can stay outside in the elements year-round?
So that's the benefit of having this. This is solid concrete and concrete stone and also premium stainless steel. This is designed to stay outside even in the harshest conditions with a lifetime warranty on the structure. So unbelievable premium quality. It's made to stay out here all year long. Yeah, and you can build it yourself in just a couple of hours.
That's fantastic. I think I'm going to call my wife at the break and say, make room in the backyard. Skip Bedell, thanks very much.
Listen, if you go to skipbedell.com, I got Memorial Day special promotions on there right now to check out the website.
All right, be safe.